coming with us, Dad?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
You can talk.
Take it easy there.
Give us a date and what we're doing.
Okay, today is August 15th, I think.
Uh-huh.
And we're at the park, the new park on John Street. Ryan was here yesterday for the first time, just for a few minutes to check it over. And now we're here as a family. Whoops, careful.
It makes these things too thin. Now I'm getting over up there.
Want me to hold it or want me to lay it down?
What?
I'm holding your camera thing here.
You don't have to hold it. You can just
I'll
put it
take
down.
the other one. Not too hard.
I can't.
There's the escape hatch. There he goes, in the red hole.
Yeah.
Let's see, where are you?
Hi.
Hi, why don't you go in that tire swing there?
1 minute. First I'm going
Why
up.
don't you come on? Is there an escape hatch that comes down this way?
No.
Towards
No.
me?
They all go that way.
Okay, well, do you want me to walk over there and get you come and go to the escape hatch?
Okay,
Yeah, good idea.
after I go up here.
Well, you tell me what you're going to do.
Well, first I'm going to go up here.
Okay.
Then I'm going to go up this one. Hi, Dad. Now, would somebody tell me how you get down? Come on.
Hi.
Hi. To get down, you just... Okay.
What's those red things there?
Red?
Yeah.
Those are roots for this thing here. Two-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Got... I think the biggest.
Any horns there?
Now this is how you get out.
There's Spindle Dog Park. There's Spindle Dog, this park has to be
Watch
big.
it'll fit.
See?
Oh,
Yeah.
here's another.
Okay, come on out here.
Hi. Up that's the one?
No, why don't you try the tire swing so Dad can take a picture of your face.
Okay.
He hasn't seen your face.
Well, you don't know what that's how you do it, Mom.
How's that?
How to turn around. Hi.
Hi. Now I'm going to go over there. Okay, come on, Ash.
Turn around. Friends?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, Dad. Hi. Hi, Dad.
Can I come on?
No, Ash isn't.
Oh, but I want to. Just for a sec.
Ready? What's to stand up? Ready? That's it. Hold on. Yeah? What else are we going to do?
Dad, where are you? What's your head? Hi, Dad.
Hi.
You
This
gonna
is
come out?
the one I wanted.
Okay.
So tell me.
Let's see ya.
It's so long, I fell.
How was it?
Fun, and that one took long too. I'll try it.
Okay.
To the compartment. This is how I get up here, and this is in here.
Just take your time.
It's here. Dad, I get up on this. Man?
Where are you?
One up here?
Are you up yet?
One up here? That? No, come. One up here?
Well, come on through the under the short one. Where are you?
I'm here. He's coming. Come over here now. And step up. Okay. Hi, Mom.
Hi. You coming?
Coming.
Coming out this one.
I come. Bye.
There he is.
Again. I went through those ones.
Very good.
And you see this here? That's how I do. That's what I climb up there with. I'm going to go up there again.
You just got to be, you know what, Ryan, you got to be very careful that you watch what you're doing because you can bang your head very easily.
Okay. Mom?
Okay, 2 kids banged their head already. Whoop! Hi, Dad. Give Dad kisses. Whoop. Where's Dad? Give Dad kisses. Give Dad kisses. See? Where's Ryan?
Next time, climb the chain.
that little one there. Can you come out the short?
This one?
Yeah.
Easiest
Go ahead.
escape hatch.
Okay, well, come on.
Okay. It says the escape hatch.
Well, come on.
Okay.
Whee!
I think I'll see that escape hatch. Who knows how to get that?
Climbing up the chains.
I can see that.
How'd you get down? But there's nothing to hold.
He's climbing down the chains.
Not climbing down the chain.
Very
good. Terrific.
Oh, yeah.
Hun,
Yeah.
it doesn't move. My hand is on it. Look.
Yeah. Put your ass on it.
Dad,
That's what it moves, sideways. Like that. The paint in here.
above the bridge.
Where are you?
Way up. Ugh. Oi.
What?
I'm over here. You see me?
Yeah.
Where are you?
Okay.
There.
Get the real thing here. The young thing.
Where are you supposed to sit on this
You
thing?
get one more.
I know. Ay. Wee, isn't this fun? Oh, it's just fun.
He's having fun.
Where's Ashley? Here, sit down. Where's Dad? Where's Dad? Say hi, Dad. Hi, Dad.
Here it is.
Go over to where Mom is.
Come here, Ryan.
Show Mom how those things work.
Oh, okay, just work. You just kind of go sliding.
I'll take this one.
Okay.
I don't know how. Bye. How'd you get on?
Oh, so you knew how it worked.
Just I'm not sitting in it right. How do you spread your legs far enough to get around this way?
When you're your age, hon, it's a mitzvah to spread your legs.
You're going to have to pull me off of here after. Ah! Help!
Ashley.
Help! And my feet are not touching the ground. Oh, this is called a mummy ride. Please help! My shindles already.
doesn't work. I know.
Oh, this is how it goes.
Here. Get here. Fly.
Yeah? Yeah?
I'm almost behind you up here.
Yeah?
See me? Look.
Oh my God.
Turn around.
I did. Oh my God.
I have this.
Yeah. Don't
It's
spin
so lonely up here. But that doesn't mean I'm coming down. I'm going to go.
Whatever way you got down.
Yeah, right.
Hey, there's a skate patch over there and over there now.
Gonna come down your skate patch?
Well, I first have to go over there, don't I?
I don't know. You gotta figure it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm only getting profiles of her. Every time I seem to move one place,
Yeah.
she moves her whole face the other. And Ashley, say hi, Dada.
Say hi, Dada.
Oh.
Where's Dada? Oh. Where's Dada? Go say hi, Dada. Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. I know how she'll look at you. I'm gonna turn around, okay? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Look at Dada. Where's Dad? Ma. Yeah.
Directly into the front.
Big one jumped over to me yesterday.
Ashley. Ashley.
Ashley.
Ash.
Where's Dada? Look at Dada.
Ash. Is that a doggy? Is that a big doggy? Ashley.
Come on, you want to walk around a little bit? One, two,
You can do it. Come on. Stand up. Stand up.
one,
Is there a pole there?
two,
No. Okay. Stand up.
Are you okay?
one, two. Is she looking at the camera?
No, it's okay. Ashley.
We don't want to walk no more, Dad. We don't want to walk no more. No.
We let me up there again.
We did.
You sing those guns thingies, okay? Because I'm going back up.
Well, you know what else there is? I don't know if you noticed it or not.
What?
But did you notice over there those little glider? They're like, they're supposed to look like airplanes.
I know, I saw them.
Over there.
Yeah, you was
Yeah, they don't do much, you know. You just sit on them and that's it.
Yeah. Swing the heart.
It's all the, Ryan, you want to take your hat off? Ryan?
Yeah?
Want to take your hat off?
Okay, 1 minute. I have to climb up to there. But I'll do that after. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay. Up there. Hi.
Where are you going?
I'm going around here to climb up. I did it before. It's kind of like...
Hold on tight.
Yeah.
Watch your head.
Hi.
Oh my
I'll
God.
go over there. Oh, here it is. Come on over here. Will I get ya?
Doesn't shut up.
Where are you going now, David? And to go up there, I go through here. Like you want to go up to the top there? I'll show you what you do to go up there. You go around like this. Then you climb up here.
There you are. There you are.
This is the body.
Do that, David?
And then you just climb on these things here. There's guns and all that. That's cool. I'll take it. I don't want that stupid one. I'll take the silly one. I'll take the 2x4. This silly one. Where's the 2x4? Okay. 2x4.
Stop talking the whole time you up there.
This is a 2x4 facing you two. Fire! One, fire, two.
Is there a baby? Is there a baby over there? Hey, you see the baby? Who's got a hat? Have you got a hat, Ashley? Where's your hat? She's staring at the baby.
Come on up here. Come along here. In you go.
Ashley.
Ashley, where's Dada? Oh, where's Dada? Say hi, Dad. Oh.
What? Come down. Come down.
Where's Dada? It's you. It's you, it's you.
Hi. You're tall up there, aren't you?
You getting tired? You want to go home now?
No. Don't try that for me now.
Okay, well, when I say it's time to go, it's time to go.
Yeah, that thing meets up here.
Yeah.
Who just take that and take somebody with me?
Ryan,
Yeah?
did you see there's rings hanging from the other side too?
Oh, where?
Underneath the long red slide there.
Yeah, you have to come down to see him.
You have to come down to see them, dear.
All right, that's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah.
Okay, go on. The other side?
Yeah, walk around. No, you didn't come down from there. Yeah.
Yeah, how do
give
I
an
get up there?
No, your son the greenie.
Slide down a pole. Tire, see, two more. I think these tires are flat.
I think so.
Just watch what you're doing.
Just watch what
Flat
you're doing.
tire. Yeah.
Watch your head. See, walk back again. Is it scary on the bridge?
Wingle dog.
Okay.
Wingles
That's
again.
how I went
Thank you.
yesterday.
She doesn't need all those toys. Give her a person. And she's sad.
And she's so happy, don't ask. Where are you? Oh, on the other side.
Oh my goodness, you filled it up already. All of a sudden he's angry.
What you got, Ashley? Did you come up upstairs? Yeah.
Here we go.
Ray, Ray. Look at this Veronica Lake. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah. Yeah. Look at Dada. Where's Dad? Is that Ryan's hat? Is that Ryan?
David! You can throw it onto the ground, but not along Laura's head. That's it. Shovel up. You want to come back as well?
Put it on. Careful. Careful. That's Ryan's hat. Want to put it on your head?
Very good.
I don't know how. Let's see if the other one moves, the right side. On the other side. Not if you want to shake yourself. Dad can see me better. He was right across.
Isn't the post in the way? You want to come
No,
up?
it's in-
Come on over here. Stay on it.
Mommy, I want to try. Mommy,
Yes, no, just leave the keys there. Dad. Just leave them there for me. So what?
But why don't you sit on the table?
Who's going to hold it?
I'll sit. I know how to do it. He doesn't know how to do it.
Round and round. Right?
I'll take the wheel a little while.
Okay.
I want you to ride this for myself. Or you watch that one or that one for me while I go see what those are.
Where are you going?
See what this thing is.
What is it?
I don't know. That one says for kids. Who knows what this thing is? Oh, stuff.
Anything to climb or anything?
I don't know what you're supposed to do to the long one, but the short one, I have an idea.
Uh-oh, he's getting close.
No, you're not supposed to climb that. It's just a signpost.
Signpost.
Yeah?
Okay, I'm going to last off.
I can't go down there too. Here he comes, Tom. Here he is.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad.
Do I come down?
Which way?